Welcome to the logical connectives part number 2. Now in part number 2 we are going to discuss about when three sentences are connected with two connectives and these two connectives are different, not same. For example, if sentences is connected with or sentences, or if sentences is connected with and connectives. So under this kind of situation, how we are going to come out with a 100% correct conclusion? So the method is very complex, but then I make it very easy for you. So we are directly going to start the questions, and through solving the question you will understand the theory behind it, the logic behind it, and then you will master the topic. So welcome to the GMAT GRE video series. These videos are free and it is given for the GRE and GMAT aspirants. So I welcome to you in my channel, and today we are going to start the logical connectives part number 2. Now as I discussed, there are three sentences. So the first part of the sentence is known as X, second is known as Y, and the third is known as Z. So let's read this sentence. If he is smart, so that part is X. He will sing, that is Y. And is a connective, so it is a logical connective. He will travel, so travel is a Z part. So we have successfully labeled the X, Y and Z. Now step number 2, you have to check where is the connective. So connective is here, so you have to write if X then Y and same Y and Z. Now what is the rule? The rule says that you have to assume the X part is equal to A and Y and Z part, this part, you have to assume B. This is A and this is B. And the rule is this: B bar to A bar. B bar to A bar. Now what is B? B is Y negation or Z negation, and it will lead to X bar because A bar is equal to X bar. It means the Y and Z connectives, let's say, I will explain you here again. Let's say Y and Z is the given connectives in the original statement. It will be converted into Y bar or Z bar. So and is converted into OR, and Y will be converted into Y bar, and Z will be converted into Z bar. Now rewrite all the sentences one more time. So what is X? Read the sentence, he is smart. So what is X bar? He is not smart, correct? Then what is Y bar? Read the sentence and check what is Y. He will sing. So Y bar means he will not sing. And Z bar is what? He will travel. So Z bar means he will not travel. Now our rule says B bar to A bar, Now here B is equal to what? Yz or Zg leads to X bar. So Y means he will not sing, or Z, he will not travel if he is not smart. So this is our conclusion number 1. And remember, there is an OR connectives. So when there is an OR connectives, 3 things is going to happen: only X bar, only Y bar, or X bar and Y bar both. So this is X bar, sorry, this is Z bar, this is Y bar, this is Z bar, and this is X bar. So it already covers this condition. Now only X bar. X bar means he is not smart, right? He is not smart and he is singing. So this is X bar only. Then he will not travel. Sorry, then he will not smart. Then he will not smart. So this is our conclusion number 2. Then Y bar only. What is Y bar? He will not sing and he is smart, then he will not travel. So here travel. So this is conclusion number 3. So remember, when OR is there, OR will leads to 3 possibility: X bar only, Y bar only, X bar and Y bar. Next question: if dog is loyal or cat is dangerous, elephant is big. So you have to give a label. So dog is X, cat is dangerous is Y, and elephant is big is Z, and connective is OR. Now when there is an OR connectives, you have to convert OR into AND. So X or Y leads to Z. Now you are putting, instead of OR, you are putting AND. So X bar and Y bar leads to Z bar. So what is X bar? X is dog is loyal. So X bar is dog is not loyal. Y bar is cat is dangerous. So Y bar means cat is not dangerous. And Z bar means elephant is not big. Now put together, dog is not loyal, that is X bar. So this is X bar. Instead of OR we are putting AND. This is cat is not dangerous, that is Y bar. Then elephant is not big, that is Z bar. So this is the correct conclusion. Next question: if you study and sing, I will dance. So first you have to label. So study means X, logical connectives is AND, sing means Y, and I will dance means Z. So we have successfully labeled the sentences. Now apply the rule. The rule is, this is X and Y. So here you have to write X and Y. Now X and Y is converting into OR type. So AND becomes OR, and X becomes X bar, Y becomes Y bar, and Z becomes Z bar. Now, first 3 sentences are possible when the OR is given: X bar only, Y bar only, and X bar and Y bar both. So you study is converted, means you don't study. Y bar means you don't sing, and X bar and Y bar means you don't study or you don't sing. So the first conclusion, let us start with this: X bar and Y bar leads to Z bar. So if you don't study, that is X bar, or if you don't sing, that is Y bar, then I will not dance, that is Z bar. So this is our conclusion number 1. Conclusion number 2, X bar only. So you don't study or you sing, then I will not dance. So this is only X bar. So this is the second valid conclusion. And the third valid conclusion is Y bar only. So if you don't study, that is Y bar, or if you study, if you don't sing or if you don't study, then I will not dance. So this is another valid conclusion. Next question: if you study, sing, if you study or sing, or will be here, if you study or sing, I will dance. So X is study, Y means sing, and Z means, the question is, if you study or if you sing, I will dance. So let's say, if you study or you sing, then I will dance. So study is X, sing means Y, and then means Z. So original is what? Original means if X or Y, then Z, right? Now you have to convert X or Y into X and Y. So X and Y, but OR becomes AND, means X bar and Y bar leads to Z bar. Now what is X bar? If you study means, what is X bar? If you don't study, Y bar. If you don't sing, and Z bar, I will not dance. So when you are writing all these sentences together, then that is our OR conclusion: X bar and Y bar. Then only X bar. No, this is the only one conclusion here, because it is connected with AND. If it is connected with OR, then we have to find out another 2 conclusions. Next, if you study, I will sing and I will dance. So study is X, sing means Y, and is a logical connector, and Z means the third part. Apply the rule. Original is X, Y and Z. Now Y and Z you have to convert into OR, and when you are converting, you have to put, instead of Y, you have to put Y bar and you have to put Z bar. So first of all, we have to write X bar. if you don't study. Then you have to write down Y bar. I will not sing. Then you have to put Z bar. I will not dance. So the first is, when I put all these sentences together, that is our first conclusion. And look, here it is or. When or is there, then three possibilities are there: X bar only, Y bar only, X bar and Y bar. So X bar and Y bar we have already completed. Now X bar only. X bar only means if you don't study, right, or you sing, and you sing, I will not dance. So this is our second conclusion. Our third conclusion is, if you will not sing or if you study, I will dance. So this is our third conclusion. So remember all the rules related to these connectives. Write down the original proposition which is given in the sentences, then convert or into and by negating the X and Y, or when or is given, then convert or into and by negating the X and Y. So or will be converted into X bar and Y bar, Z bar, or X and Y will be converted into X bar or Y bar. So this is the way that you have to deal with the question. So here we are completing the part 2 of logical connectives. Make your own sentences and convert your own sentences into this kind of logical conclusion. Thank you very much. See you next time.